Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage the screensaver settings on your XIAOMI Smart L1. First, click on the settings button on your remote. Now, if you want to open the screensaver, you can find it right here in the quick settings. Just find it and click on OK. But if you want to manage its settings, you'll actually need to go to all settings first. Let's go there, then go to system and find ambient screensaver at the top. You can start it now if you want. You can find different channels, which means that you can either do a slideshow of selected memories on Google Photos. You can also select art gallery that will automatically set different images from some Getty images, Google Arts and Culture, from NASA and stuff like that. And you can also do custom AI art and create your own images with that. Then you can also select whether you want to display weather, and you can either set it to hide, so weather won't be displayed. You can set it to Celsius or Fahrenheit or both even. Then you can also go to time and select show or hide. Then personal photo data you can show or hide as well. Portrait Google Photos and things like that, like slideshow speed. Let's maybe just select the art gallery. You can see there will be different photos, and let's start the ambient mode right now. But of course it will start automatically once you just leave your projector inactive for a while. And if you click on the down button while you're in the screensaver, you can still manage things here by going to settings, selecting either Google Photos, Art Gallery or Custom AI Art. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.